Here I have Samsung Galaxy M01 Core, and today I'm going to show you how to reset camera settings on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open camera, then tap on the gear icon here, access camera settings like this, and then scroll down to the bottom and select this pre-last option, reset settings, then tap reset, and after that all of the camera settings will be reset. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.